Hello, hi Esoterica viewers. Today I'm unboxing the Dungeons and Dragons tarot deck, and I'm really excited about this deck. Just came today. Looks like it only has this one little bit of sticker. Oh, it does. It only has that one. Oh my goodness. Move that to the side. Wow. The Dungeons and Dragons, very famous role-playing game, as a tarot deck. Wow. These cards have a really nice matte finish. They're slippery right out of the box. They're a really good size. 78 card deck and guidebook. It has some tarot spreads. D&D encounters. I bought this tarot deck because it has this adventure in a spread. So it has like Dungeons and Dragons kind of story creator in the tarot cards. So you can use them if you're playing Dungeons and Dragons. And you can absolutely just take inspiration from the different cards. But I am really excited. Oh, and I love that all of the cards are in color in the guidebook. Guidebook's really nice. It seems to have all of the pages. That's kind of a thing to look for now, I've learned, to make sure that you have all of the cards, no repeats in the pages, because sometimes the printing process, and these are mass printed types of popular things. So it's got intelligence, wisdom, charisma. I missed a suit. Charisma, wisdom, intelligence, strength. Okay. And then the major arcana. All right, let's see what they look like. The Fool, the Magician, Knight Priestess, Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World. Okay, so first of all, the major arcana, absolutely beautiful. Little bit different interpretations from the Rider-Waite. I really like that when you have a deck that's going to show you different ideas of the major and minor arcana. Wow, look at this artwork. It's stunning. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This would be a really great gift for not just people who are into tarot or Dungeons and Dragons, but anybody who writes, like they're an author, storyteller, because look at all of these images. They're just so inspirational. You can see an entire story in all of these images. Okay, I'm in love. I'm in love with these. I can't wait to use them in an upcoming video. So keep a lookout for them. Oh, I can't wait to see how the messages come through with these cards. Look at that for the Hierophant. That is dramatic. I mean, similar but not. That is really interesting for the Hanged Man. That feels like almost a different interpretation of the Hanged Man. Normally it'd be like we're waiting, we're observing, but this is like there's a reflection happening, I can see. Oh, I am excited. Okay, well, this is going to be incredibly fun. I hope that you will fall in love with your own tarot deck that inspires you to journey towards your own inner guidance, own inner wisdom. Absolutely gorgeous. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.